Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ms. Nene here. Today I am working on a 12 by 12 canvas using some, and I mean very little, leftover paint from a previous pour I did. And since I had a little bit of paint left, I didn't want to waste it, so I figured why not just go ahead and just, throw a painting together right quick just to use up the rest of this paint. Today is such a wet and dark and dreary day here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm even feeling a little sick. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Today just sucks basically. But I figured I got the house to myself. Just go ahead and use that time to do this, and and painting always makes me feel better anyway. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and let the video play, put some soft music in the background to go with my mood for the day. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading more stuff. And I do upload quite a bit. So let me shut up and let you go ahead and watch the video. Be back. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. I forgot to mention that I'm going to leave in the description a coupon code for 15% off at Arteza. That's where I get most of my paints, my canvases, and all the little art supplies that I use to make the things that I make. But yeah, I'm going to put that coupon code in the link for you so that you can get 15% off. We all love deals. I know I do. To get that off of 15% off of Arteza products. So don't forget to check in the description for that link. So in the meantime, continue on watching, and I'll be back at the end. Okay, so here it is. It's completed. It turned out great. I'm loving it. The colors, the lacing all over this canvas. Oh my God. I can't wait to varnish this. This picture here, this painting here turned out better than I expected with a little bit of paint that I had. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So here it is, still wet. I can see that I have some touching up to do with this one. I see some areas that I don't really particularly care for. I mean, I'm not going to change any of the colors, just the black part of it. I can see some uncovered canvas and some bubbling of some paint. But overall, it turned out great. I'm loving it. Don't forget to check the description for the link for the discount codes and the links. And thank you again for your time. Thank you for popping in and watching another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can know when I'm uploading new stuff. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.